Welcome. Today we are delighted to present to you the meticulous restoration journey of a remarkable classic car, the 1959 Ford Prefect 100E. The restoration process commences with a thorough disassembly of the vehicle, a crucial step in reviving its former glory. Matt Urch, the mastermind behind UrchFab, shares his years-long venture in crafting a custom track car through his popular YouTube channel. He embarks on this ambitious project by starting with a weathered 1959 Ford Prefect 100E body, which he skillfully welds onto a sturdy Mazda MX-5 chassis. Undoubtedly, the process of restoring a car to its original condition is highly rewarding, but it demands substantial investments in both time and resources. However, a well-executed restoration can significantly augment the value of an old car, especially if it possesses rarity or historical significance. On average, a complete restoration of a classic car typically takes around 1,000 hours, although the duration varies depending on the team's expertise, the car's initial condition, and its rarity. Due to the poor condition of the car's structure, Matt decides to create an entirely new interior to provide robust support to the car's chassis and body. The Ford Prefect 100E is part of the Ford UK line, manufactured between 1938 and 1961 as an upscale variant of the Ford Popular and Ford Anglia small family cars. The 100E, introduced in 1953, underwent a significant redesign and saw a total production of 100,554 units. In his restoration process, Matt skillfully employs stick welding to join all the new parts together. This welding method offers great versatility and does not require shielding gases, making it suitable for outdoor work. Moreover, stick welding imparts crucial skills and flexibility to the welder. Once the entire structure is assembled, Matt primes it and gives it a fresh coat of paint, providing vital protection against rust and decay. With the car body now completed, he proceeds with the framing for the powerful MX-5 engine. Subsequently, he meticulously constructs the car's fenders, ensuring every detail is perfect. After removing any rust, corrosion, or old paint, the car is sanded down, preparing it for a flawless new paint job. The next step involves the precise placement of glass on both the windshields and windows, granting the car its final sleek appearance. The bodywork is now entirely finished, and Matt begins adding intricate details which contribute to its overall beauty and speed. The result of Matt's hard work and dedication is nothing short of breathtaking, a beautiful and fast classic car that has been meticulously restored to its former glory. We hope you thoroughly enjoyed witnessing this amazing transformation. If you'd like to see more fascinating content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates and exciting videos. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of automotive restoration. Until next time.